If motivation worked, you wouldn't keep restarting your life. You wouldn't need a new plan every Monday. You wouldn't wait for the right mood. You wouldn't feel stuck again. The problem isn't that you lack motivation. It's that motivation was never designed to stay. That's not a personal flaw. That's biology. Your brain doesn't reward consistency. It rewards novelty. New goals feel exciting. New habits feel powerful. New versions of you feel possible. But the feeling fades. And when it does, people assume something is wrong with them. Nothing is. The problem isn't that you lack motivation. It's that motivation was never designed to stay. Motivation spikes when something is new. A new workout. A new career plan. A new promise to yourself. But your brain adapts quickly. What once felt exciting becomes normal. What feels normal becomes effort. And effort triggers resistance. This isn't weakness. It's how the brain conserves energy. This is why so many people feel burned out. They try harder. They optimize. They buy planners, apps, and systems. They watch motivational videos late at night, hoping the feeling comes back. And when it doesn't, they blame themselves. That blame is misplaced. The people who change their lives don't rely on motivation. They replace it. They stop building their future on feelings and start building it on structure. First, identity. They don't ask, "What should I do today?" They ask, "Who am I becoming?" When identity is clear, action requires less force. Second, environment. They don't fight temptation. They redesign their surroundings. What's easy gets repeated. What's hidden gets forgotten. Third, defaults. They don't decide every time. They remove the decision entirely. Starting becomes automatic. Not because they feel ready, but because the system starts for them. This is why now versus later matters. When action depends on motivation, later always wins. But when action is a default, now happens quietly, without a fight. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings fade. Systems stay. Identity stays. Defaults stay. If you're waiting to feel motivated, you're waiting for something that was never meant to last. If this made sense to you, comment one word: system.